Hari Om. Welcome to Aniruddha's Creative Learners. Today we are going to make this spiral design, spiral shape using vectoring app. So let's get started. First we will delete this shape. Now go to this shapes option. Select this circle. Select these two options, constraint and scale. Draw a circle. Then select that circle and go to this option transform and make it 40 40 pixel by 40 pixel. So make sure it is closed so that it maintains its proportion. Now we will make one more copy of this. We have made a copy by tapping this option, then go to this option, this selection tool, transform tool, and tap here two times. So it will be 60 pixels by 60 pixels circle shape. Now go to this align option and align this shape to the center. See, this shape is aligned to the center of the artboard, but the first circle is not aligned. Now select that and align that shape also to the center. Now we can see, sorry, okay. Now we will use this outer circle which is 60 pixel by 60 pixel. Make one copy of that and then again increase its size. Tap here two times so it is 80 pixel by 80 pixel. New circle, align it to the center. Repeat it around 8 to 9 times. One more circle. Two times tapping. Again make a copy. So few circles are formed. We will make one more circle. Okay. We will align this to center. Now we will have to activate the grid option. Go to this. Okay. When you are holding it horizontal, the grid option is available over here. Whereas when you are holding it vertically, you have to go to this menu and from here you can select the grid option. So we are activating the grid. Tap on toggle grid and grid size, make it 10. Now we will activate one more feature, that is snapping and snap to grid. So all our shapes will snap to the grid which we have toggled on. Now let us see. You can see that this particular circle which is aligned to the center is exactly in connection to the grid. You can see 10, 20, 30, 40. It is a 40 pixel circle and so on. Here you can see the outside, that is 60 pixel. Okay, so let's zoom out. Now take one shape tool, that is a line tool. Tap on these two icons and draw a line like this. Then bring it in the center by using this align option. So we are cutting these circles using this line. Now select everything. Go to this shape builder tool and gently select. Okay. First you select this join mode. Then start selecting the upper circles. just tap on them. You can even use this stylus if it is available. Then go to this selection tool. We can see that this particular semicircles are formed. Now make one copy of these semicircles. Select on this duplicate option. Go to this objects option. Objects, and here it is a flip option. So next copy which we have made is flipped. Now we will zoom out. Okay. Now select this option and move it downwards. Okay. Now the most important key point is you have to move it to one side. And because we have used snap to grid, it will snap after 10 pixels. So you can see it has snapped. Okay. Now deselect this and now select all these lines. Go to this shape builder tool and trace. Select this join mode. By mistake, if you have selected wrong lines, you use this eraser tool and erase them. Take this join mode and trace one spiral line. Gently and steadily you have to trace. Then go to this selection mode and select it. So our spiral shape is ready. Now you can increase the stroke of this spiral shape. Tap over here, increase the stroke width. So you can see this spiral shape is ready. This spiral shape you can use in your designs while making greeting card, visiting cards, or any other graphic designs. Thank you for visiting Aniruddha's Creative Learners. Please subscribe the channel if you are interested in getting more Vector Ink app videos, as well as press the bell icon. Hari Om Shri Ram Ambadnya Nath Samvid.